In every generation there comes a voice that refuses to be silent when truth is under attack. For our time, that voice is Hafiz Saad Hussain Rizvi, a man who carries the mission of protecting the honor of the Prophet ﷺ, standing firm against injustice and awakening the hearts of the youth. Hafiz Saad Rizvi's vision is not about fame or politics, it's about reviving the courage of the Ummah, to remind Muslims that honor, dignity and faith come before everything else. He dreams of a nation where every young Muslim understands that Namoose Risalat Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is not just a slogan, it's a responsibility. His message is clear: when the love of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam lives in your heart, you can never bow down before oppression. His vision reaches beyond borders. It is about unity, bringing hearts together under one banner, the banner of Islam. He often says that power and success come only when we follow the Sunnah, hold tight to our deen and act with courage. To the youth, Hafiz Saad Rizvi gives a message filled with love and responsibility. He reminds us that Islam does not need heroes of words, it needs heroes of action. He calls on the youth to educate themselves, to understand Islam deeply, to speak with knowledge and to act with wisdom. He teaches that being a follower of the Prophet ﷺ means being honest, brave and disciplined in every part of life. He believes the youth are the future torchbearers of Islam. Each young man and woman has a duty to live with a purpose, to defend truth and to serve humanity. Hafiz Saad Rizvi speaks to the youth. He's not just giving a speech, he's trying to wake up hearts that have fallen asleep. He reminds us that true success isn't in money or fame or the world. It's in serving the deen of the Prophet ﷺ. He says, don't waste your youth chasing shadows, because time once gone never returns. Every day, every moment is a chance to prove your love for Allah and His Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Hafiz Saad Rizvi believes the youth are the soldiers of Islam, not with weapons but with knowledge, character and courage. The courage to speak the truth, the patience to face injustice and the faith to never bow to falsehood. He reminds us that when hearts are filled with love for the Prophet ﷺ, fear disappears, because a believer who stands for truth never stands alone. This message is not limited to Pakistan, it's for every young Muslim in every corner of the world. Wherever you live, whatever language you speak, the call is the same: protect your faith, live with dignity and never forget your purpose. And that is the vision of Hafiz Saad Hussain Rizvi, a vision that begins with love and ends with the rise of a fearless generation. Hafiz Saad Rizvi's path has not been easy. He and his followers have faced pain, loss and imprisonment. Yet his message never changed: be patient, remain peaceful and stay firm on truth. He reminds us that real victory does not come from anger, but from steadfast faith and unity. Hafiz Saad Hussain Rizvi's vision is a call for every Muslim youth to rise with faith, with knowledge and with love for the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The message is simple: stand for truth, live with dignity and never be afraid to defend your deen. My dear brothers and sisters, Hafiz Saad Rizvi's message is not about power or politics. It's about awakening the soul of a generation that has forgotten who they are. He calls the youth not to hatred, but to love for Allah, love for the Prophet ﷺ, and love for justice. He teaches us that real change begins within. When you purify your heart, your world begins to change. When you fix your intention, your struggle gains strength. Every movement starts with one voice, one believer who refuses to stay silent. Saad Rizvi's voice reminds millions that courage and faith still live in the hearts of Muslims. So, O youth, don't be afraid of being different. Be proud of your faith, stand tall, speak truth, and remember every great change begins with a sincere heart. Jazakallah khair for watching. Subscribe to stay connected.